quarter century of excellence.
Welcome back. You're still tuned into Midcap Radar. Now let's get a corporate conversation going. Singapore-based BW LPG will invest 250 crore rupees for an 8.5% stake in Confidence Petroleum. The JV will be called BW Confidence Enterprise, and the JV will focus on developing LPG import infrastructure and to optimize the seaborne LPG imports in India as well. So to discuss this and lots more, we're joined by the management. Nitin Khara is Chairman and Managing Director at Confidence Petroleum, and he joins us now. Mr. Khara, thanks a lot for joining us today and taking the time to speak with us. So, this investment, let me just begin by asking you about that. It's an 8.5% stake. What is the reason for this? And is there a plan to sort of increase the stake anymore from this level?
Yeah, good afternoon, Pavitra. Good afternoon, Sonal also. As everyone is aware that Confidence is the supermarket of LPG. We are into LPG cylinder manufacturing, we are into LPG import, we are into LPG bottling, LPG retailing through auto LPG dispensing stations, and also in pack LPG division. And also Confidence is into CNG retailing as well CNG high pressure cylinder manufacturing. And BW, which is Norway based, their office also in Singapore also. The group is master in handling very large gas carrier, that is VLGC, and also into sourcing and trading of LPG and other business also. So what we thought by joining these hands, by taking BW as a strategic partner, Confidence Petroleum has tied hands with BW Group, who will invest 30 million in the company through preferential allotment of shares. And as Confidence is having footprint pan-India in LPG and CNG segment, and BW Group is largest LPG vessel owner and having a good exposure in sourcing of LPG in international market, this strategic investment by BW Group in Confidence will support Confidence as it expand its capacity significantly in LPG and CNG downstream assets. That's why we have taken them as a strategic investor. As Indian market is a very huge and there is a big scope, the expansion of the LPG segment as well as in CNG segment also. So this fund and internal accruals will be used to support what we have expansion plan and expansion of our business in various segments such as LPG bottling, LPG bulk marketing, auto LPG dispensing stations, which we are targeting 500 auto LPG dispensing station by 2025, pack LPG marketing, CNG retailing, and CNG cylinder manufacturing.
Yes, Mr. Khara. Yes, we do get your point, and we are very well aware of what the company does as well. So, company that is the Singapore-based company BW will invest around 250 crore rupees in Confidence Petroleum, which will be used for expansion. The second part is a JV which these two companies will be coming up with, and that will also be expanding or will be using some capex there. Can you give us a sense of how much is Confidence Petroleum investing in this particular JV? And when we talk about investments from BW Group, will it increase from the 250 crore rupees that they've invested, or that is the amount which is capped right now?
No, Sonal, this 250 crore is we are going to expand is only for our existing business like bottling, auto LPG station, CNG station in that. But for this JV, Confidence is going to put their equity as well. Means we are forming one BWC JV, that is BW and Confidence. And that with that, one Ganesh Benzo is also joining with us. Means BWC plus Ganesh Benzo. So this will go for the LPG terminal infrastructure business. And in that,
what is the share, Mr. Khara, in this? What is the share of the JV, the split?
55 with the BWC and 45 with the Ganesh Benzo.
Okay, so in this JV, what will Confidence Petroleum invest? I think the promoters will also be investing in this JV. Correct me if I'm wrong.
Yeah, no, promoters also, but 125 crore rupees is going to be invested by the Confidence Petroleum in this JV.
Okay, and then what is the revenue potential that you see, and just from this JV, considering that you're putting in this money?
See, Pavitra, this is this required for the Confidence, because Confidence is presently they are the market leader in LPG business, but to get the proper sourcing of LPG and to store our LPG into terminal, we required terminals. So rather to go with the individually, we thought why don't to share hands with BW, as well as Ganesh Benzo is having land, ready-made land there themselves with them. So we have a joint hand with Ganesh Benzo also. And,
okay, so by when do you expect this infrastructure to come online once the funds are available, Mr. Khara?
Yeah, by 26 we are targeting to complete this infrastructure.
Okay.
This time.
Okay, and just going back to, you were describing the JV to us. Just take us through what is the kind of monetary benefit that comes out of it for you? What is the kind of revenue potential that you see once it comes on stream?
See, there are two parts, Pavitra. One is to import LPG for confidence, as well as we will do the other Indian market players also.
Yeah.
We'll do the other Indian market players also. So what we are targeting, because see, it's a very busiest terminal in Mumbai. There is no any space. What we have watched till date. Whatsoever vessels are coming through the international market are standing for the 8 to 10 days, 12 days waiting. So heavy damages they have to pay. I mean, other oil companies like PSUs, BPCL, HPCL, IOCL. So what we are hoping, we will utilize our capacity, what we are going to install there, 80 to 100% we will utilize that.
Okay. Quickly, last question before we let you go. The last time I had asked you about the pledge, Mr. Khara. What's the update there? You had said Q2 will be the quarter where you will be completely de-pledged.
Yeah, almost we have removed our place because as I promised you also that we will remove by Q2. So we have removed almost all place what we place in the market, because see Q1 has
there's still a 2.5%. There's still a 2.5% pledge, shareholders pledge that the promoter shareholding is showing me right now on BSE.
Yeah. But we have not taken any amount against that. That's we have kept only for the working capital, because whenever our bigger vessels are coming, what we are importing, that time we required again heavy use. So we have not taken any fund against that. Only we have kept as a place there. And we are not utilizing presently any fund against that.
All right, Mr. Khara, we leave it at that. Thank you very much for joining us and taking us through, both of these important news pieces that have come through on the outlook for your own business. Thanks a lot. With that, it is time for a short break. But on the other side, we're going to bring you our special segment, Mid-Cap Spotlight. We're talking about walkout today as the stock surges on the back of some news updates. So stay tuned. We'll fill you in when we come back.